Law Now is our legislation module which integrates with your subscriptions. It also contains features that the Federal Register of Instruments and the state legislation websites do not have. Finding current legislation is easy using Law Now, which covers acts and subordinate legislation in force from 2000. To browse Law Now legislation, use the Publications box and select the arrow to the left of Law Now legislation, and then choose your jurisdiction. The Acts and Subordinate Legislation boxes contain similar ways to access legislation. Using Acts by year and number is very useful when you don't know the title, such as when checking the amendment history of legislation. To find out what Act 50 of 2001 is, click on 2001 to see the legislation from that year. Legislation is listed in numerical order. Act number 50 is the Corporations Act 2001.